Now we'll see whether entered character is vowel or not in JavaScript. So JavaScript can be embedded in HTML. It can be written in head section of HTML or in body section of HTML or as external file. Script tag is used to write all the JavaScript code. So we have to close the JavaScript code. All the JavaScript code should be written between this script tag. If you are using Notepad, then use after script tag language is equal to JavaScript. Now we will check whether the entered character is vowel or not. A single character. Vowel means A, E, I, O, U. So we had declared the variable by using keyword var. Ch is a variable. You can give any name. Terminate that line by semicolon. Prompt is used to accept the string, means collection of characters. So prompt is a function. So we have to write the message and end with semicolon. So that character will be assigned to. So you have to enter only single character because this program is related to entering single character and checking whether it is vowel or not. So here we had declared this character will be assigned to ch. Then if condition is used to check whether whether it is a, e, I, o, u. Now double equal to is called equal to operator, or operator is this double pipeline sign is called or operator, means that is logical or, means if any one of the condition, these are so many conditions because we can enter either a, e, I, o, u, or apart from a, e, I, o, u also. So we are first we had written this for vowel, that if it is a, e, I, o, u, or is used if any of the one condition is true from this. These are so many conditions here. If any one condition is true, then this by document dot write we will print that it is vowel. Now this is checked only for small letters. If you want for capital letters, then you can add all capital A, E, I, O. So means if any one condition is also true, it will print this document dot write that this is vowel. But if the character is if all the condition are false here, then it will not print this, it will not execute this statement. After this it will go in else part, and after that whatever is there below else it will execute that line, means it is consonant, means if we enter apart from. Now we'll try to enter the character. Suppose I took small a, it is vowel. But if we enter as suppose G, so it is a consonant, means it is not vowel. So we'll try for all the A, E also we'll try, because we had written only for small letters I, O. So this is also vowel, I is also vowel, E, I, O, U. Okay, so these are vowel, but if we enter apart from this any character, suppose 5 or even number, it is consonant. So if we enter capital letter, it will not give vowel, but so we have to include even capital letters in condition. So what we'll do, we will write even here, we will add more pipeline sign here, that is ch is equal to, this is called equal to operator. So you can enclose in a, then we will write for e also here. So we will write ch is equal to a, e we have to write in capital, means now even for capital letters the message will be printed as a vowel if you enter in capital letter any vowel, a, e. So you have to put double pipeline sign, that is called logical or, means if any one condition is true from this, then it will execute the line immediately after it. A, E, I, capital I. Now because we had not written for capital letter, so even capital letter if we enter, so that will be counted as vowel if we enter any vowel letter. A, E, I, O, U. Ch is equal to capital O, we have to write double pipeline sign, that is called logical or operator. You have to save, and all JavaScript program is saved by extension. I'll show you that also, by .html extension. Now we'll write AEIOU also in capital. Okay, now see AEIOU all are in capital. We will save C. JavaScript file is saved by, give any name, extension as .html. Now we'll run this program. Now we'll try to enter capital vowel A. Now it is vowel. Now we'll try to enter AEI also in capital. It is vowel. U, E will try to enter in capital. Okay, it is vowel. But if we enter apart from vowel letters, suppose this sign, so it is consonant. So hope you understood. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.